Hello all, hope you are doing well. Many of us have doubts and the things what they have to do to get access to the Tryhackme machines which are available in the Tryhackme websites. How to access the machines which are available in the Tryhackme. So if you see here, then I have assigned a machine of blog which is named as blog. Here we have a tab called access machines. So if you want to access the machine, like access this vulnerable machine, so you have to be in the network of Tryhackme. Now what you need to do to be in the network of Tryhackme is you just have to do only one thing. You need to install the VPN configuration file which is sent by the Tryhackme. So what we need to do is we have to click the tab access machine. So now this tab displays us the status of our computer. Like now we are disconnected with Tryhackme network. To get connected, we have two methods like attack box. Here we have the attack box which is available with all machines in the Tryhackme. If you are a free user, we have some limitations here, but if you pay something, then you will be having a better experience with this. To use your computer to get into the Tryhackme network and to access all the machines, you need to do only one thing. Just you need to click on this openvpn. If you are using the Windows OS, you please select the Windows OS here. If you are using the Mac OS, you please select the Mac OS here. But default we are using Linux here. The website itself assumes that what OS which are we using, and it shows us the mark in that. Now I am using the Linux. So this mark shows me that I am using the Linux. We have to download the VPN configuration pack which is available for the Linux. Once you download it, you have to install the openvpn tool. So with this tool, we can run the configuration pack which we are downloading from the Tryhackme network. So we have to install the tool called openvpn in our Kali Linux. And then you have to go to the path where you kept your openvpn configuration pack, and in the path you need to run the file with the command called openvpn. That is the fourth step which they have mentioned here. So what all we are now going to do is just we are going to click on download the openvpn configuration pack. Once you click on, you will be asked with save file or cancel. You just click save file. Once you save the file inside of your computer, it will be shown in your downloads folder. So to check that, open your terminal. Open your terminal here and change your directory as cd to downloads. So once you be in the downloads, list out all the contents which are available in the downloads. I think I have two or more. Yeah, we have our hanesh.ovpn file which is available in our downloads folder. To run this file, we need a tool called openvpn tool. I have installed it already, but if you follow the command which they have given in the website, then it installs with some 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have got it installed, you just go ahead with this command openvpn and hanesh.ovpn file. In your name, in your computer, it shows. In my computer, it shows my name and it shows us like hanesh.ovpn. And then once you you just press enter, then all done. Your computer will get connected with the Tryhackme network, and you will be given with an IP address which is specifically mentions for your computer alone. So just press enter here. This starts the process of connecting your computer with the network of Tryhackme. Yeah, that's all done. Just minimize this tab and see here. Okay, it's not showing up. Just refresh this website now. You can see here, once it reloads, it shows the IP address here, which is our IP address for our machine to use the Tryhackme network. And once you got it, you're good to go with the solving of the machine in the next steps. And to follow the block Tryhackme walkthrough, I have made a 1-hour video of explaining every concept beautifully, and we'll be following up with other machines also. Aim of this series is just to put an ethical hacking training with solving a machine. So we'll be looking up to solve many machines to get to know about ethical hacking and pen testing field. We'll be exploring many machines. I'll be taking you to the concepts and I'll be explaining them with the solving of every mission. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.